and we're going to get set to start them. They get the 1 to go indication. 20 left. Lawn Mower feature event. These will do speeds upwards and over 50 kilometers an hour. Chuck Sid will be the fastest all time out here at the Laird Raceway at closer to 60 kilometers an hour. All right, watch the lawnmowers as they come out of their turn 4 on the dirt track. We are racing. Darcy Reed with a quick pass on Tyler Carter. Oh, baby, one winner right over. I got this guy. What that might be Tyler Carter. Well, he's okay here, Greg. How about a hand for him after an awful rollover? And there's Dale Tucker making his way back pit side. Oh my goodness, look how rough that car looks. Not good. Line up the big line. The point. He's got a tough racers over here with his lawnmower tractor. Have you guys seen that? And now we've got 4. Still looking for that first completed lap. 1 to go indication, Darcy Reed. That's Ross Lipke in the red 28 that'll line up outside of Darcy. Shrek in the second row of the red one. And Aaron Chapman. Here we go. Chapman up to third. He's had his way with these on. Oh, Chapman goes around. He's got a long way to come back to the front of this one. Could this be the end of the street for Aaron Chapman? El Chapo in serious trouble. Your leader is coming around turn 4. That's Ross Lipke in the 28 red. Great straightaway speed by Lipke. Darcy Reed is second. Running third is Shrek all the way from Listowel. Lane Bottles line up immediately down in the pit area. Lane Bottles is lined up immediately down in the pit area. You're next. Ross Lipke, your leader. Halfway through. Oh, and here comes Darcy Reed. Couldn't pull off the pass yet. We'll see if he tries it again. They're side by side for third and fourth. El Chapo back up to third. There's a Reed is taking the lead. Gary Maitland down there handling the flag. Watching your leader. It's Lipke getting back around Darcy Reed. And here comes Aaron Chapman. He's closing in from half a track back. Chapman to the outside of Reed up to second. He's going to be all over the race there. Oh, Darcy Reed does a full stand. That may have blown up on him. Darcy's head back pit side. Caution is out. Caution is out. That knocked the hay bale onto the straightaway for them. But how about that run by El Chapo, who was greater than 3/4 of a lap behind? He's now your second place lawnmower. They get the 1 to go. Lap winding down. El Chapo, where are you going? Oh, now he's on the line. Lipke leads him up. Ross Lipke, Aaron Chapman. Constable finishes in third, and we're going to turn it over to Ron Caruso down in the infield, who will get a word with our winner of this event, Aaron Chapman.
Wow, Greg, how was that for a bump and run coming out of 4 for all the marbles? I tell you, at track level down this back straightaway, these guys are moving, man, I tell you. It's pretty intimidating. It's a lot of power.
Ronnie, you're going to have to ask them about the bump and run.
Well, there we go, the winner. What a movement. Want to introduce yourself and let you know, these race fans, who you are?
I catch my breath here.
Go ahead, you got to speak loud.
Oh, I don't think I'm out of breath here right now. That was a good race. Ross put up a good race for a couple laps. On the old Chapo, as you guys met last week, the week before. Oh, I was pretty slippery coming out of turn 4. I guess that's what happened in Darcy. You got a little too loose coming out of there, and it was a little hectic. I felt myself kind of up on 2 wheels. I think everybody was up on 2 wheels at one point.
Well, that was outstanding. I tell you, at track level, these things are really impressive. So here we go, race fans. Give it up for the winner over here, the tractors, El Chapo.